Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create and run ads on Instagram in 2025, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, we already have an account in here and we have a couple of products. So there is two options. One is manual ad option and another is to boost your post. So if I click over here and just click to the boost post, this is another kind of options where we can run ads. So in here we have like limited resources, so we cannot do anything further more. So if you want to boost this one, there we have previous things, so you can do the things. But if you want to run ads, then you just need to be tweak something differently. You just need to go to the dashboard. Once you come over here, then you will get to see the create ad options. Just click on, and from that place you can upload the media for you. And if I click to the ad tools, then it will give you the options to see. So let's click the account, and here you can see these are the things we have. So there is a couple of options we will have, so we just need to go to the business manager. So that for reason I will click over here to the dashboard and I will go to the ad account. So I'll click on this one, payment setting, and it will redirect me to the business manager. So let's wait a bit and let's see does it play any role or not. So here you can see we already landed in billing account. So from that place I will choose the ad manager. This is the main thing how we did it. I hope you understand. Once you landed in here, you just need to click this create button to run your ad or create your ad for your businesses. So here as you can see, we already created a couple of ads in here, so I'm going to add another one. Just click to the create, and you just need to choose your targeted things, like you can run ad for awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, or sales. If you want to run only ads for traffic, you just need to select the traffic. So let's, for the video purpose, we are going to choose the engagement one, because we choose engagement because engagement is the main, or I found out the good one. Like it get more messages, it helps you to get more messages, video views, post engagement, or even response. That's why I choose engagement. Just click to the continue. Once I click over here, then it will land me to the next page where you just need to provide your engagement name. Then here you can see share some of your budget with other ad sets. So I will disable this one, this is not the necessary one. Then just click to the next. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the ad set panel. Here you just need to select your Instagram account, then provide your payment budget. Here you can give any price you want, it's totally depend on you. And in the right corner you can see there is a estimate daily result, and campaign score, audience definition. You are getting all the things in here. You just need to be explore it one by one, so you will get identify or understand more about Instagram ad running options. Once you set up all the things in here, then here you can see we have a couple of other options like placement. Then that you have the access to select the age, like you can select 22 to anything, any age. Then you can select the country. Let's say we are selecting country, that will be United States, and here I am going to select United Kingdom. Also let's remove our Bangladesh from the ad and then select United States also. Let's select this one, and we already select two countries, so you can specifically target one country. Once you feel that all are done, you can select the audience also. Then when you feel that your work is done, and the main thing, you can choose the gender, like which gender you want to run ads, woman or man. You can go with this one, then just click to the next. Once you click over here, now here the main thing, like final destination is come. You just need to select your ad category, ad creative. You just need to give a primary text, like here hit the like button. You will get to see in here, as you can see the video, and here you can see hit the like button. Then you can change the message options, you can edit it. Once you feel that your like ad already been done to create, let's add a media to make it fulfill. So let's add this one, and here you will just select this one text, and here you can see eventually it has been done. So you just need to click on publish. Once you click over here to publish, the ad will be published for your audience or your new audience. So if you love this video and understand how easy the process was, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.